Hi everyone. Today I would like to present the research title, Factor Affecting the Quality of Financial Reporting Information and Evidence from Local Government. To you guys, MP at MBP 2023 London International Conference on Management and Business Practices. This paper is actually a research paper as a part of my co-author, Savut Kama, on his Master of Accounting degree. Introduction. Financial reporting plays a crucial role in promoting transparency, accountability, and effective decision-making, not only in the private sector, but also in the public sector. So this research is particularly interesting in a local government entity in Thailand. The quality of financial reporting in local government is influenced by a myriad of factors that can impact the reliability and usefulness of information. As a research objective, this research examined factors affecting the quality of financial reporting for a local government entity. This study identified the local and regulatory framework as a fundamental factor that shapes in financial reporting quality. It explores how the presence of robust accounting standards, adherence to regulatory requirements, and the enforcement of reporting obligations contribute to improving financial reporting practice. This study also examined the factors within local government entities that influence financial reporting quality. These factors encompass the government structure, management competence, and internal control environment. This research investigates how strong governance practice, qualified personnel, and effective internal control mechanism foster the production of reliable and accurate financial report. For the conceptual frameworks, by synthesizing existing literatures and study, this research abstract aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the multifaceted factors that affect the quality of financial reporting for a local government entity. The conceptual frameworks then shown here. Financial reporting quality is influenced by public accountant competence and internal control system. Financial reporting quality is measured in 4 dimensions: understandability, relevance, reliability, and comparability. Public accountant competence is measured by professionals and ethical skill, and also public accounting standard knowledge. Internal control system, referred to COSO, internal control, is measured by control environment, risk assessment, control activities, information and communication, and monitoring. 6 factors are controlled in this research: sex, age, educational level, field of education, position, and experience. As for the hypothesis, this research then have 2 hypotheses. Hypothesis 1, public accountant competence has a positive relationship with quality of financial reporting information. Hypothesis 2, internal control system have a positive relationship with quality of financial reporting information. For the research method, this research is a survey method. Questionnaires were distributed to accountants employed in a local government in Thailand. Accountants in this organization consist of 80 divisions with a total of 813 people. The questionnaire was distributed during January and February last year, 2022. And finally, we received varied response of 400 responses. For the research model, we use a multiple regressions model. So FRQ, financial reporting information quality, we set as an independent variable. And also we had a target set with the PS, okay, which is professional skill, ASK as an accounting standard knowledge, which is part of financial public accountant competence, ICE as a control environment, RIS risk assessment, CTA control activities, IAC information and communication, and also MN monitoring as part as internal control system. And 6 factors are controlled: SEX, sex, age, educational level, field of education, background education, position, and also experience. All variables were measured with 5-level Likert scale. For the reliability, we run covariance alpha coefficients to test for reliability, and the results shown in this table. You can see here that covariance alpha coefficients of every variable actually have a value between 0.632 and 0.938. Therefore, we can conclude that every variable meets reliability requirement. So we can go on with our analysis. For collinearity test, this research tests the problem of relationship between independent variables, as known as multicollinearity problem. VIF, variance inflation factor, and tolerance of each variable were tested. The collinearity statistic found that VIF value was between 1.043, okay, and 3.995, which is less than 10. For tolerance, the lowest value of tolerance is 0.25, indicating that the relationship between the independent variable has no point of multicollinearity problem. Therefore, variables are suitable for next step, multiple regressions analysis. Results. The multiple regressions results are shown in this table. You can see here the variable here, and the column is the 5 components for the financial reporting information quality, which is understanding, reliability, relevance, reliability, comparable, okay, and this is the total score for financial reporting quality. For individual components, for understandability, we found that ICE, which is internal control environments, and CTA, which is control activities, have a statistically significant to understanding. For the relevance, we found that ICE, internal control environment, and risk assessment has significantly significant with the relevance of the financial information. For reliability, we found that KPS, which is knowledge background for the professional knowledge background for the public accountants, are very statistically significant with the relevance. For comparability, we found that internal control environments are statistically significant to the comparability. As an overall score, financial reporting quality, we found that professional knowledge of the public accountants is statistically significant to the financial reporting information quality. And also, internal control environment is also very significant at the level of 0.05. So 2-star is statistically significant as 0.05, and 1-star is statistically significant at 0.1. And overall, we have, as I mentioned, we have valid response about 400. So lovely, it's very interesting why we find the knowledge background of the accountant and also internal control environment is very important part for the information quality. Discussion and conclusion. The finding will indicate that internal control environment positively affect the quality of financial reporting, demonstrating that at a statistical significant at 0.05 level. However, we found no significant relationship between understanding of public sector accounting standard and financial reporting information quality. So hopefully the finding will help policymakers, practitioners, and researchers in identifying areas for improvement and formulating strategy to enhance financial reporting practice for the public sector or local government. Contributions. This study contributes to the management of a local government by highlighting the importance of establishing a robust internal control environment. Enhancing financial reporting information quality can be achieved by implementing various measures, such as providing clear job descriptions and specification for all positions, as well as designing an organizational structure and chain of command that align with the size and the nature of operation. Thank you. That's all of the research.